Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13144 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2014 Subaru Forester. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Begin by lowering the exhaust by removing 2 rubber exhaust isolators. We recommend using a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture along with a pry bar for easy removal. Rubber isolator locations may be different with dual exhaust models. Support your exhaust system prior to lowering with a ratchet strap or wire hanger to prevent any sort of damage. Carefully lower the exhaust. On the passenger side, remove 4 heat shield fasteners located here with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Remove the heat shield. This will not be reinstalled later. Once the heat shield is removed, use a flathead screwdriver to pry and remove 3 plastic caps seated in the frame rail. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. On the driver's side frame rail, enlarge the existing middle access hole to accommodate the included hardware. Use a grinder tool to widen the access hole. Be sure to check to see if the spacers and carriage bolts fit into the access hole. Refer to your instruction sheet for a grinding diagram. Using the included fish wire tool, fish wire the rearmost attachment point by inserting the coil end of the fish wire tool into the rearmost access hole on the frame rail and routing it out through the middle enlarged access hole. Place a square hole spacer over the coil end of the fish wire and insert the spacer into the frame using the enlarged access hole. Thread an included carriage bolt into the coil end of the fish wire. While pulling on the opposite end of the fish wire, insert the carriage bolt into the enlarged access hole and pull the hardware through the frame and down and out through the rearmost attachment point. Leave the fish wire attached for now. Repeat this same process on the foremost attachment point. For the middle attachment point, you will need to use the reverse fish wire technique by threading an included carriage bolt into the coil end of the fish wire and inserting it into the enlarged access hole. Place a square hole spacer over the opposite end of the fish wire and insert it into the enlarged access hole. Pull on the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt through the spacer and down and out through the frame rail. Repeat this entire process on the opposite frame rail attachment points. Raise the hitch into position, threading the fish wires through the side plate attachment points on the hitch. Carefully raise the hitch up and over the fish wired hardware. Remove the fish wires carefully and fasten the hitch to the frame using the included hex flange nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in your supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the lowered exhaust. Excuse you. This completes the installation of the CURT 13144 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2014 Subaru Forester. Install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next on your Subaru and get out on the road. Now you can bring it.